How to change the drive slider inside the machine head? Firstly, we need to take off these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take off these 4 screws and then take away the thread tension base. After we take off the thread tension base, we will have only the machine head like this. And then we lose these 4 screws. This is the drive slider we need to change. After we make the machine at this condition, we lose these 4 screws and take off it. And then take off these 2 screws. Make sure you put these screws in a good place, in case it drop into the machine and stuck the machine. After that, lose this screw. Just lose it. No need to take it off. After you lose all these screws, you can lift up the bar, take it off, and then you can take off the broken drive slider. And then we get ready the new drive slider and assemble it back. The middle of the drive slider here, and then this has a side. Make this bar go through the drive slider and also go down this hole. We put this small part inside. And make sure here has a gap. This gap is connected to this screw, so it must face straightly to this direction. And here, the upper side, it should be flat. And then we fix this screw first. Fix this screw and then assemble back this small iron piece. Here should be in the middle. Here you can move it freely. And at the upper side of the head, we need to get this tape inside. This is for adding oil. And then we fix back the 4 screws. After we fix these 4 screws, we will assemble the machine back. And then fix back these 4 screws. And then assemble back the machine thread tension base. And this is the whole process of how to change the drive slider for the machine.